Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 19. And it says, which table represents a linear relationship between x and y? So what I would do to start with is just see how they change, because I know that the slope will be constant if there is a linear relationship. So what I do first is go up here and look from 2 to 3, it goes up 1. From 3 to 6, it goes up 3. From 6 to 8, it goes up 2, and from 8 to 9, it goes up 1. So that's not looking like it goes up at an even rate, so I'm going to go ahead and check B, okay? So from 2 to 3, it goes up 1. From 3 to 6, it goes up plus 3. From 6 to 9, it goes up plus 3. And from 9 to 18, it goes up plus 9. So again, it doesn't look like it's moving up at a consistent rate, at a constant rate. So I'm going to go ahead and check C part. Okay, so this one says from 2 to 4, it goes up 2. And from 4 to 6, it goes up 2. From 6 to 8, it goes up 2. And from 8 to 10, it goes up 2. So this is looking promising. But let's check on the Y side. From 4 to 7, it goes up 3. From 7 to 11, it goes up 4. From 11 to 16, it goes up 5. And from 16 to 22, it goes up 6. So C is definitely not our answer because it's not at a constant rate on this other side. Okay, so let's look at D. D says 2 to 4 goes up 2. From 4 to 6, it goes up 2. 6 to 8, it goes up 2. So that's looking promising again. But from 8 to 9, it just goes up 1. Now, I do see that it goes up plus 5 each time here. But since it did not go up but 1 here, then D is not our answer. Okay, so let's go back up here and look at what we had. B says 9 to 6 would be minus 3. And 6 to 3 would be minus 3. But then you've got 3 to 2 is minus 1. And 2 to 1 is minus 1. So, Okay, if we look at this slope here. Okay, so I would say the difference between the change in y over the change in x. Okay, so that's what we're going to have to do to figure this one out. So we've got minus 3 over plus 1, which would be minus 3. For the next sets, you would have minus 3 over plus 3, which would give you a negative 1, and those two are definitely not the same number, so B is not it. Now, there could be something horribly wrong with our figuring, so we better check A just to make sure it comes out right. Okay, so 5 to 8 would be plus 3. 8 to 17 would be plus 9. 17 to 23 would be plus 6. And 23 to 26 would be plus 3. Okay, so let's look at these slopes. You know it's the change in y over the change in x, so that's a y. So let's look. So we've got plus 3 over plus 1, which would be a 3. We've got plus 9 over plus 3, which would also be 3. Okay, then you've got plus 6 over plus 2, which would be 3. Okay, this is looking good. And then you've got plus 3 over plus 1, which is ding, 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 also 3. So your answer here for number 19, and this was a tricky one, is A, because the slope stays constant, and it is at a constant 3. The rate of change is 3 throughout the whole table.